Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make all TikTok videos private. So let's open up my profile here and press this video. And let's say I want to make this video private. Press the three little dots in the bottom right hand corner here. This should bring up this menu where you should see privacy settings here. Press that, and then you can change it to only me, and then no one else will be able to see it. It won't be deleted. However, only you will be able to see it, so it will be private. You can make it back to everyone at any stage. But if you want to make every video private, come to your profile, press the three little lines in the top right hand corner, then go to settings and privacy. Then you want privacy in the account section here at the top. And then you want to select private account and you want to tab this so it's blue. Then no one will be able to see your videos. They'll all be made private. You can always come back and switch that off like that. So hopefully that helps you out how to make all TikTok videos private. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.